Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. In fact, was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. They were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were shopping then up, and they were shopping then down. It's an ancient Chinese heart, and everybody knew the part. From a fainting to a sleep, and kicking from the hip, everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. Was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There was Funky Billy Jean and little Sammy Sean. He said, "Here comes the big boss, let's get it on." We took a bowl and made a stand, started swinging with a hand. The sudden motion make me skip. Now we're into a brand new trip. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. In fact, was a little bit frightening, but they did with expert timing. Make sure have expert timing. You gotta be fast as light.